Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy S24 to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to set it up, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now click on your device's screen and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple of them, just for example. When finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And then hit Receive button. If you prefer to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!